Good morning, everybody. We're live here at Gasparilla Inn and Beach Club construction and renovation project on beautiful Gasparilla Island. With me today is our project manager, Alex Mazikas. How are you, Alex?
Doing well, thank you.
So Alex is going to give us a tour of what's going on here on the construction site. So let's take a walk. All right, Alex, what are we looking at over here?
All right, so what we've got ahead of us here is the storage area for our trees. We've taken approximately 134 existing trees on site, put them in a dry detention pond, and are storing them to be relocated upon restoration of the site. Directly behind them, you can see cottages number 9 and cottages number 8. Those are a 2-bedroom and 4-bedroom cottage. They're similar. It'll be a total of 4 2-bedroom cottages, 2 4-bedrooms, and 3 3-bedroom cottages spanning across the beach, and they will be centered by a pool and pool cabana.
Nice. And there's 9 total cottages,
9
right?
total cottages.
Okay, and we've got 9, 8, and 7 up right now?
9 and 8 are up.
9 and 8.
7 is just one coming up where the tie beams are being formed. And then number 6 has the tie beams formed on top and will be ready for trusses here shortly.
Okay. And they have direct beach access and views. Is that right?
That is correct.
Okay. So there's the cottages. How nice would those be to rent? Stay up here on this island. And as we walk across here, what are we looking at straight ahead of us?
Directly ahead of us will be a lift station. There will be a private lift station for the sanitary lines for all the cottages and amenity buildings that will tie in and then be directed out to the public utility.
So that is 9, number 8, number 7, 6 is over here.
Pool cabana is in front of you. They're working on the columns for number 5. You can see 4 is formed up the tie beams. 3 has the masonry completed on the 2nd floor. And on number 2, they're working on the roof.
Gotcha. So let's take a walk up here. And the pool goes right here in the middle?
Yes.
How big is the pool going to be?
That one I don't have an answer.
Nice. It'll be nice. So parking underneath. All the cottages up here you can see. You might be in the way.
We'll go walk over to number 9, walk inside to show the framing and
okay.
get an idea of the layout.
Cool. Got a ton of people on the site working.
Running around 60 to 70 person on a daily basis. Regular, fluctuating up or peaking around 80 people depending on finished trades coming in. Inside the cottages to your right will be the parking area for all your vehicles. And then over here on the left side, you'll have your outside living area.
Ah, lovely. And the beach is right past that fence. That's the ocean.
Yeah, we'll head on
All right,
inside.
I'm gonna follow you. As we go up to the living area.
Here to your right, or to your left, sorry, you'll have your
There's
living
Joe Perkins, our scheduler. Hi, Joe.
Over on the right side is your kitchen and dining area.
Okay.
Again, with views of the Gulf.
Yep, there it is. What you paying for? That's a beautiful view. And that's number 8 right there, right?
That's correct.
Okay. Okay.
So this is a 2-bedroom. Proceed back. We'll go look at the bedrooms.
See all the framings going in. Back here to the bedrooms. Here's one of the bedrooms. Nice bright windows. Have a view to what will eventually be the pool over there. And then the other bedroom would be over here.
Yes. It'll be a mirror
Again,
image of
bright
this.
windows. Okay.
Okay, we'll proceed and go to a 4-bedroom.
This is a 2-bedroom.
The 2-bedroom.
So the units have 2, 3, and 4 bedrooms, right?
Yes. All of which equipped with elevators as well.
Nice. All these bright windows for their views. Say hi, you're on Facebook Live.
Hi.
So now we're back out. This is number 8. Now, when did we start the construction, Alex?
Construction started late September with the site prep.
Okay. This is number 8. We're gonna go see a 4-bedroom.
Better.
Back up the stairs here.
And this is actually
Another
one of
nice
the bedrooms
view.
in here with the view.
A little closer. So folks out there enjoying the Florida ocean. This is nice.
Go this way
Big.
into the kitchen.
Wow. Look at that picture window. Beautiful.
So this is your living space over this way that you're in right now.
Okay, look at that picture window. Perfect. Picture perfect of the Gulf. It's a little hazy today, but
Balcony.
this will be a screened balcony? Glass.
No, not screened in. This will
Okay.
be an open air balcony.
Oh, okay. Very nice.
Okay, we'll
Very
proceed
cool.
to the master bedroom. Master bedroom.
Wouldn't you like to wake up and see that view every day? Man. So we've got the framing going on. This is the master.
This is the master
Okay.
bedroom.
With bathroom and closet.
Yes. Walk-in closet straight ahead and bathroom.
Bathroom's right there. Some tunes, some working tunes going. All the framing. Very cool. And again, you can see number 7 out the window over here. And what will eventually be the pool area. Oh,
Thank you.
we're in the way. Okay.
Okay, we'll continue. This is the main corridor.
Rock on 105.1 and 105.9 C105.
They're carrying in the windows right now.
Take you back to the other bedrooms.
Okay.
Just watch your step and head back.
So these are bedrooms 2 and 3. As you can see, all great views outside each window. Nice bright windows. Closet, bathroom in each bedroom. Very cool.
You head back down.
Yep. Very nice. So as we go back out, I'm going to take a look at the other buildings that are on the site. So aside from the cottages, what else is being doing in this phase 1?
So phase 1, we're going to finish along with amenity buildings. The amenity buildings being the Inn Adventure, which is a bicycle and golf cart storage for the inn. It'll have a relocated tennis shop, which we've already picked up the building and physically
Yes,
moved
if
it.
you all have seen our video prior to, when we moved that tennis center from its original location to its permanent home, that was a sight to see. So here's some other cottages being worked on and being put up. So the building straight ahead from us is which one? The Inn Adventures right here?
Straight ahead of us, this is actually the fitness and yoga building.
Ah, okay.
And we'll come take a look at that.
So brand new fitness and yoga. And then next to that little building is the tennis building, which we moved from over there in between the cottage and the tennis courts. It was moved to its current location, which is right there. And we thank our subs, Flint and Doyle, for doing that. They did a great job. So this is the new yoga and fitness. How big of the building is this one, Alex?
I don't know that square foot off the top of my head either, Molly. I'll
okay.
get back to you. But we got a couple things going on out here with the fitness and yoga center. One side will be a dedicated fitness, the other side will be dedicated to yoga. And right in the middle, you'll have your new exercise pool.
Oh. Nice.
And what we
So
got
right in this little alcove.
right in the middle. So if we go up, sitting between the two concrete areas, the two roof areas, that will be your pool.
Okay. Very cool. So here is part of the building. It goes
So this side
around.
will be your fitness on your left, and then on your right will be your yoga.
And then this is the little yoga studio. And the pool goes right in the middle. And a little connector area, bathrooms and whatnot in there.
Yes. That'll be your entrance to the back side. We're going to take a walk up and we'll go into the yoga.
You're on Facebook Live. All right, so here is the fitness. As you can see again, open windows, great views, expansive area. Very cool.
And then this one will loop around and hit yoga. Right here.
This will be where the pool goes. Right here in this area. See, even while we're doing construction, they're having tennis lessons. Never stop. And this will be yoga over here. Nice, a little smaller, but nice, quaint for yoga.
And then opening up, this will be all sliding windows here to the outside where the detention pond is.
Okay,
And the yoga deck will actually extend out into the pond.
gotcha. That's nice. Very cool. All right. And then next to it is the tennis center, the newly relocated tennis center. Now, Alex, when we put that tennis center on its new foundation, what did you have to do to it once we got it moved?
The building was picked up, shored up underneath, relocated, and then it was on existing wooden piers. So we cut it off the existing wood piers and then set it down on new steel columns.
And then built the foundation
And then
around.
built up masonry walls and tie-beam under it, and then lowered the building on top of that.
Gotcha. Very cool. So that's all the buildings in this first phase.
That is correct.
We'll go take a look at the beach club over there, which is part of the second phase of the renovations. You can see. Back over here, this again is the fitness center, the nice big views. All the cottages you can see out there. So that way you can see the tennis center a little closer. Alex was saying when we moved it, we had to move it up, put the foundation underneath, and put it back down on there. So it's a new home. And the tennis center is, or the tennis courts rather, are over here.
So this is the location of where the existing tennis building was. It was picked up, moved again. And then what will happen here is this will become a whole new storm drainage system, and this will become the grand entrance to this side of the property.
Gotcha. And if you can see that building past the tennis courts there, the roof there, that's the existing beach club, which will have some renovations to it. Tell us about those renovations, Alex.
Right now we are still in design development on that phase as far as the extent of the project. But what it roughly will entail is demolition of an existing pool, reinstalling a pool with a different geometry, and then adding 2 additional pools. The interior buildings will get all the windows changed out to impact resistant, and then refurbishment of an existing dining area, refurbishment of the workout area. Existing yoga room will be converted to a business center. And then we'll raise the deck outside and reinstall the pavers.
And it's right on the beach, right here on the island. A lot of activity going on in Gasparilla. Season, very popular time. So that's the existing building right here. The beach club. As you can see, if you look behind us, there's all the construction. So 2 phases. Phase 1 is going on right now. And this is phase 2 over here on the beach club.
The existing buildings over there.
Okay.
Can actually work.
So it's a little bit of a distance from where you are, where we were. You can see where we were. To coming down here to enter the beach club.
So over here at the existing property, this parking lot will get reworked. The existing Innoventures building, the bicycle on it, that building will be demoed because that's the Innoventures we're going to replace. So that one will get demoed in order to accommodate more parking out here.
Okay.
These buildings will have the roofs will be stripped and then reinstalled using wood shades.
And a new pool, right?
3.
3 new pools. 3 new pools would be amazing. And if y'all have never been up here, it is gorgeous. I highly recommend coming and visiting. So this is the existing area. Like he said, these roofs will be redone. I don't want to get too many people videoed in the pool. They probably don't want that.
Yeah. So we'll be here. We'll be removing that existing pool, change the geometry, put a new pool in. A second pool we put on the other side of the building to your left, and then a lap pool over to the right.
And you can see it also has views and access right to the beach. Very cool. So we've been working on this project since September. It's going very well. Everyone seems to be very excited about it. Is there anything else we forgot, Alex?
That's pretty much the basis of it right now.
So it's just, and we have, how many folks do we have on here? You're on the project, and who else?
We've got a staff of 5 people on this project, along with additional support staff from the home office.
Gotcha.
About 3 people.
It is exciting. Everybody seems to be excited. All right, Facebook. Well, that was our tour of our Gasparilla Inn and Beach Club construction project. We hope you enjoy. We'll see you on the next episode of Chris Television.